What's up, everybody? I'm Chad. Today we're here at Rodgers Wranglers, and we're going to be talking about this 2007 JKU on 37s back here that we got up for sale right now towards the beginning of July 2020. Stay with us. So what an absolutely good-looking Jeep Wrangler this is. I mean, when you slap a pair of 37 series tires on a four-door Jeep with a nice lift, I mean, it really does stand up quite tall, and it looks good. I mean, it's very aggressive and beefy looking, isn't it? And you know, to be honest with you guys and girls, I mean, other than your lift kit and your big tires and all, the rest of the Jeep is all pretty much stock for the most part. I mean, just doing little things like they've done on the front bumper here. Now, we didn't do this here at Rodgers Wranglers. When we actually got this Jeep, it was kind of already set up like it is. But we did add on the brand new 37 series tires, which made it stand up a little bit nicer. But, you know, a lot of people will take and just cut that part of the bumper right off, give it that type of look right there. You got your stock fenders. This is, again, is a 2007 JKU with a 3.8 with 78,000 miles on the motor under the hood. So pretty low mileage there. We did add a fresh red paint job on the Jeep, so it makes it shine up quite nicely when you put a fresh paint job. I like these LED lights right here and like the red housing on there. That looks nice, kind of flows good with the Jeep. You got your black soft top, which is in good shape. And also got your factory side steps. I mean, there's so much more you can do to this Jeep to really dress it up even more. But just the way it sits right now, looking pretty good. And it leaves a lot of extra stuff you can do to your Jeep after buying it to kind of give it the style and the way you want it. So I like the idea of having some of this stuff already done, but then doing other stuff yourself to say, hey, that's Chad's Jeep riding down the road, or that's Jacob's, or that's Kelly's Jeep, you know, whoever's Jeep it is, but that's theirs. Anyway, stock rear bumper does have the tow package. We did add on the 37 series tire on the back. These are by Trailblade Boss tires. They're 37 by 13 and a half on an 18-inch stock Jeep wheel. So you'd be surprised, man. Your stock Jeep rim looks really good with this tire sitting on here. Plenty of space in the back. It's on the stock mount on the rear door. This window is in good shape. It just needs to be zipped down right there, and that's it. Look at that. Boom, done. Okay, so got a nice new top on her. Compliments of Rodgers Wranglers with new tires and fresh paint. Just those three things alone right there really makes the Jeep stand up quite nicely and look good out in the crowd. I like this right here, guys and girls. I haven't driven too many Jeeps with this little thing on here, but this really makes it easy to turn and move around corners. If I had a Wrangler, I probably would be buying myself one of those, especially if I had a Wrangler lifted up and all. So that really made it kind of fun to drive today going down the road. It does drive nice. Believe it or not, these tires are not really all that noisy. They're pretty quiet. You also have this on here. I call it a sunshade. So when you're cruising around with the top off, you still got a little shade here to keep the sun off you. And also keeps tree limbs and leaves and things like that from coming down on you. Other than that, though, all factory on the inside, automatic four-wheel drive, factory CD player. The Jeep actually has 160,000 miles on the body. This one had a motor done in it, so it does have around 78,000 miles on a 3.8 under the hood that we did here at Rodgers Wranglers. The previous motor in the vehicle was about done for, so we went ahead and put a whole nother motor in, and it runs like a champ. So anyways, trail rated, of course. Let's pop the hood, take a look underneath, and let you get an idea of what we got going on under here. Pretty much just your stock 3.8, but very clean. Look at this. Got a brand new battery under there, but a very clean engine. Runs good. I mean, no noises, no leaks too much. I mean, this thing is in great shape, ready to hit the road. The vehicle was red previously as well. But all new belts, just been serviced, maintained. I mean, this thing's ready to hit the streets today. So you're wondering to yourself, well, what is the price for that Jeep right there at Rodgers Wranglers? Well, let me tell you, I'm gonna blow your mind when I tell you. $13,990. $13,990 for a Jeep already set up like that. Man, what a deal. Seriously, guys and girls. So many Jeeps out here on the lot for $23,000, $18,900, $19,900, $16,900. But there you go. You got it right there for $13,990. It will not last long. As soon as this video and photos go up on Facebook Marketplace and YouTube, I guarantee this Jeep will sell by Friday, and today's Monday. So stay with us. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And if you want to buy it, whether you live in Charleston, whether you live right outside of Charleston, somewhere in the South Carolina area, or you're in Georgia, Florida, North Carolina, as soon as some more people start finding us here on the internet, let me tell you, this won't take long and it'll sell quick. So if you're one of the people interested and you're calling in from out of town, you can leave a deposit with me over the phone, and I'll be more than welcome to keep it and hold it for you till you get down here to take it home with you. That's all it is. Do it and get it done. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. I'm Chad with Rodgers Wranglers here in North Charleston, South Carolina. See you on the next video.